Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change our Instagram, a personal Instagram account to a professional account. So the first step is go to the application of Instagram, and you here in the principal page in the feed, you need to go to the down part in the option of your profile. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the superior part of the app, specifically in the superior right corner. You pick here in these three lines, and after that you need to go down to the option for professionals. Here, account type and tools. To pick here, and you need to pick here in to switch a professional account. And in this part, you need to pick here in continue. This is a disclaimer like get professional tools, learn about your followers. This is the introduction for the professional mode. So after that, you need to pick here and choose what kind of service or what kind of product you offer in your Instagram professional account. You can pick here an artist, for example. You pick it down, and the only thing you need to do for complete the process is pick the choice the professional the information if you want choice in your professional account, and that's it. You complete the process. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.